Who is Spider-Man? He's a criminal, that's who he is. A vigilante.
This is one of my favorite games of all time, and I'll be covering it here a little bit on the channel in the coming months or so. So look forward to more Spider-Man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at the letters P, Q, and R. And again, we're going to be breaking it down into vocabulary, listening, and practice. Okay, when we practice our phonics, we clap our hands when we say the name of the letter. We tap our laps or the table every time we say the sound of the letter. So as an example, P, 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 pencil. Okay, let's get into the first letter, the letter P, and this is the vocabulary. Pencil, potato, pizza, penguin, popcorn. Okay, the letter P, listening. P, 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 pencil. P, 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 potato. P, 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 pizza. P, 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 penguin. P, 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 popcorn. Okay, it's your turn. Are you ready? Great job, guys. Okay, please remember down in the description, there are timestamps so you can come back and check out individual letters whenever you want. Also, there are links to other phonics videos. So please check out the previous letters if you haven't already. Let's get back into this video and move on to the letter Q. Okay, number one, vocabulary. Quack, queen, quilt, quiet, question. All right, the letter Q, listening. Q, 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 qua, 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 Q, qua, quack. Q, 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 qua, 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 Q, qua, queen. Q, 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 qua, 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 Q, qua, quilt. Q, 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 qua, 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 Q, qua, quiet. Q, 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 qua, 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 Q, qua, question. Okay, it's your turn. Are you ready? Go. All right, that's 2 down and 1 to go. Please remember also in the description, there are links to my WordWall account. That's just one way that you can continue to practice letter recognition and matching upper and lowercase letters. Let's get back into the video and our last letter today, the letter R, vocabulary. Rabbit, rainbow, rain, road, rice. The letter R, listening. R, 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 rabbit. R, 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 rainbow. R, 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 rain. R, 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 road. Rice. All right, guys, it's your turn. Are you ready? That's it. You did it. Great job. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here. If you made it to the end of the video, you are amazing. Please, if you found this video helpful or useful, like, subscribe, share the video, and thank you again for being here. And I will see you soon.
That's all, folks.